Uh, Hello, welcome back, my dear student. Okay, wrote in this lecture, I want to wrote prefix. We define in this copy admin. Okay, I want to pay wrote define admin and define other admin users and say users and admin course, admin blog, admin product, and admin settings. Okay, I change this blog and course user. If write admin, I see admin page. Okay, and admin users. Sorry, admin users, and see admin user page and admin course and see admin course page. Okay, for simply the prefix method may be used to prefix each route in the group with a given URL. For example, we can see admins. Okay, we define in top route with prefix. Okay, prefix admin, name is admin, and define group group function function and define. Okay, and copy all this here and remove admin and remove admin and admin admin and admin and admin. Okay, if right, if refresh this page, we currently, and if change to admin, it is work, and change to admin product, it is work. For simply and not repeat admin in all admin routes, we can use as a prefix